In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up shift schedules and rotations in Google Calendar. If you're managing a team or simply want to organize your personal schedule, understanding how to create shift schedules and set up rotations can greatly enhance your efficiency. By leveraging Google Calendar's features, you can make sure everyone's on the same page and manage your time effectively. Let's begin by opening Google Calendar in your web browser. If you're not already logged in, do that with your preferred Google account. Now locate the date you want to schedule a shift. Simply click on that date in your calendar view. This action will bring up a dialog box where you can type in the shift details. This is where you set the nature of the event, perhaps labeling it as morning shift or evening duty based on your needs. Once you've labeled your shift, you'll want to add shift events. This means you're entering the specifics of the event. A crucial part of this step is specifying the time of the shift. Be precise about the start and end times to ensure clarity for anyone involved. After entering all the necessary information, click the Save button. This saves your new shift to your calendar, making it visible and accessible in your daily view. Next, let's talk about recurring events, which are especially handy for setting up shift rotations. Click on the schedule you've made and then select the option to edit the event. Look for the section in the event window where it says Does Not Repeat. This is your entry point for creating a rotation. Click on Does Not Repeat and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, choose the Custom Recurrence option. By selecting Custom Recurrence, you're able to adjust the repetition pattern to fit your needs, whether that's daily, weekly, or monthly. For instance, you might want certain shifts to recur every 2 weeks, or have exactly the same pattern every month. Once you've set your custom recurrence, hit Done. Color coding is another powerful feature Google Calendar offers. By assigning different colors to different shifts, you make it visually straightforward to see who is working when, and at a glance, understand the rotation schedule for the week or month. With everything now set up, make sure to click Save once more to finalize your changes. Implementing these changes can bring a lot of structure and clarity to your scheduling, ensuring you and your team stay organized and informed. That's everything you need to know to get started with setting up shift schedules and rotations in Google Calendar. Using these tools effectively can transform the way you manage time and resources, leading to better productivity and communication. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more how-to tips.